Hi, I'm Stan Ponte with Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm excited today to tour you through Pavilion A, one of the penthouse homes at the world-renowned Woolworth Tower residences. With protected historic views over City Hall Park, the East River, and the beautiful Manhattan Bridge. Not only is the Woolworth Building a piece of art, it's an important part of architectural history in New York and all over the world. This is the Great Room, and its scale is astounding. In fact, the reaction that you can expect from your guests is simply, wow. You simply sink into the luxury of this space, adorned by this gorgeous baccarat chandelier and the details, like the 4-inch wide solid oak herringbone pattern floors. And overhead is this fantastic mezzanine reached by this sculptural staircase, the perfect place to put your musicians or a great DJ during a party. The Great Room is open to 2 other spaces in the home, a media room which is intimate and private, and a professional chef's kitchen. Let's go take a look. Now, because the kitchen is open and viewable from the Great Room, it had to be beautiful and well designed. On the backsplash, above the cooktop, is the original elevator transom of the Woolworth Building. Just one of the many surprises in this amazing home. But my favorite surprise is definitely the kitchen skylight. You can see the building itself and practically touch the terracotta tilework of this Neo-Gothic masterpiece that some lucky person will call home. As you enter the bedroom wing, you're greeted by this cozy and intimate sitting area. It's the perfect place to relax and read a book before heading to bed. And it also has a door to the private terrace, but we're gonna get to that later. Welcome to this magical master bedroom suite. This master bedroom manages to be both intimate and opulent, with enough space for multiple seating areas and this grand chandelier, which is definitely a sparkling way to start your morning and a romantic way to end the day. And I can't forget about the master bathroom. It's a study in refined craftsmanship and elegance, framed by marble arched windows that look out onto the terrace. I've had the opportunity to see private residential terraces in every major city in the world, and I have never seen a terrace like this. The design elements have been carefully recreated to match the original building, measuring over 2,700 square feet. There's an outdoor kitchen, dining area, and plenty of room to simply lounge under the sun or under the stars. And if all of that isn't enough, ascend the stairs to the massive second level, featuring jaw-dropping panoramic views of the cityscape and the Woolworth Building herself. I hope you've enjoyed joining me today on this tour of Pavilion A at the Woolworth Tower Residences, one of the most beloved buildings in the world. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?